So hello students. So students, last time we have discussed the exercise 2.2, and in that exercise we have discussed the condition of the zeros, means how to find out the zeros for a particular polynomial, that p of x. But now today we will start the exercise 2.3, and in this exercise, which is based on your remainder theorem. According to the remainder theorem, if the p of x be any polynomial, मीन्स मान लीजिए p of x क्या है, आपका कोई पॉलिनोमियल है जिसकी की डिग्री क्या होगी, या तो ग्रेटर देन 1 होगी या इक्वल टू 1 होगी, एंड a कोई क्या है, मेरा एक रियल नंबर है. सो इन दैट केस द p of x इज डिवाइडेड बाय एनी पॉलिनोमियल x माइनस ए. अगर इस p of x को, उस पॉलिनोमियल को मैं किसी भी पॉलिनोमियल x माइनस ए से डिवाइड करता हूं, तो जो भी रिमाइंडर मेरा आएगा निकल के, वो हमेशा क्या आएगा, p of a ही आएगा. कैसे आएगा, लेट्स सी बाय द हेल्प ऑफ दिस proof. Okay, now suppose we know that the dividend rule of the polynomials means that is the p of x is equal to what? Suppose the g of x and q of x plus r of x. So this is the condition of the dividend rule, means it's your, suppose we are very familiar with this one फ्रॉम फोर्थ स्टैंडर्ड. मीन्स अगर मैं ये से क्या मान लेता हूँ, एक डिवाइडेंड मान लेता हूँ, और ये कोई मेरा डिवाइजर है, एंड दिस वन योर क्वेश्चन, देन डेफिनेटली हियर इट्स योर r of x is what? Your remainder. So whenever you will do the multiplication of the divisor and quotient plus remainder, then you will get what? That particular dividend. Okay. Now, so in here, so from here, from this statements, what we get, the p of x equal to, what is g of x from here? So g of x is what? The x minus a. Okay, and now the q of x is remains same, so r of x. Okay, but let's assume x minus a. Suppose the x minus a is a polynomial whose degree is less than 1. Okay, whose degree is with degree 1. इसकी डिग्री को हम क्या अज्यूम कर लेते हैं, 1 कर लेते हैं. इन दैट केस अगर इसकी डिग्री 1 होगी, देन डेफिनेटली r of x क्या होगा, उसकी डिग्री 1 से छोटी होगी, और 1 से छोटा क्या होगा फॉर पर्टिकुलर रियल नंबर, दैट विल बी अ 0. ओके, सो therefore we got the p of x is what? The x minus a and g of x, and whenever you will put the 1 as a degree for that particular solution, then you will get the r as a constant. Okay, means when for a particular value of x. Okay, so r इस टाइम पे क्या हो जाएगा, एक मेरा कोई कांस्टेंट निकल के आया, मैं यहां पर लिख देता हूं, सपोज r constant. Say r is what? Your constant. Clear? Now, so and if now apply, if for a particular situation, if x equal to a, then p of a from that zeros polynomial, a minus a, this one, and what is q of a, and this one is your what? R, which was your constant. Now the p of a, this 0 into q of a plus r, 0 into something is 0, then 0 plus r, that is 0. This implies p of a आपका क्या निकल के आएगा बेटा, एक रिमाइंडर के बराबर आएगा, जो कि आपका एक क्या रहेगा, ये यही क्या रहेगी आपकी रिमाइंडर थ्योरम. ओके, नाउ लेट्स कम टू द एक्सरसाइज. Okay, if you have any problem, any query regarding this solution, you can ask in your comment section. Okay, and remember one thing, you have to do this proof in your notebook also. Okay, as it is, as I have written here. Okay, now come to the exercise, which is exercise 2.3. So So in this exercise, okay, let's, in first question, find the remainder when, question number 1, we have to find the remainder when the p of x is something is given and it is divided by any condition. So here I am solving for the question, first question, or first condition of question number 1, that is first A. So we have here, I am providing only the solution. We have p of x is what? P of x is x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay, and g of x is what? X minus, x plus 1. X plus 1. So we have to find the division. We have to find the remainder. Why? Division method. Okay, so x plus 1, x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. So we have to put the x square for making this g of x equal to this given x cube. Okay, so do the multiply by this x square to this in this g of x. So we will get what? X cube and x square plus x square. Now subtract it, minus minus cancel, 2x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay, now what we have to write here? 2 and x. So 2 into x, 2x become 2x square and 2 into x, 2x. Now minus minus cancel, here we got the 1 and 1. Now write down the 1, x plus 1 minus minus cancel. Okay, so the remainder is 0. Here we got the remainder 0. So in this way you can find the remainder for the situation. Okay, let's come to the next, that is question number 2. Find the remainder when, okay, question number 2, p of x equal to what? P of x equal to x cube minus ax square, okay, plus 6x minus a, and it is divided by xa. Okay, and g of x equal to what? G of x equal to x minus a. So now it's your solution. We have, now you can say like this also, applying remainder theorem. Remainder theorem. Okay, now according to that remainder theorem, if the x minus a is there, so we will put the a in place of x. So p of a equal to what? A cube minus a of a square plus 6 of a minus a. This way you will get the x cube minus x cube plus 6a minus a. Cancel, it become 5. Therefore remainder equal to 5a. Okay, now in the same way you have to do the question number 3. In that question you have to just check, you have to just find out whether the given g of x is the factor of that p of x or not. If any g of x is the factor of any p of x, then only if you get the 0 as a remainder, whenever you will divide that p of x by g of x. मीन्स अगर कभी भी कोई भी आपका p of x तभी किसी g of x का फैक्टर होगा, मीन्स कोई भी g of x तभी किसी p of x का फैक्टर हो सकता है जब वो p of x किसी g of x से डिवाइड करने पर रिमाइंडर क्या दे, 0 दे. इन ओके, so it is enough for today, and I hope you are doing your work in a sincere manner. But I found that some of the students are not taking the proper interest, and they are not doing their work regularly. Okay, means I got very soon I will disclose the name of such types of the students. So I hope this time you will not you will follow the instruction, and I hope you will do your work in a sincere manner. Okay, thank you beta.